On the Titanic, there were 11 men, millionaires, who all met their deaths in the icy waters of the Atlantic Ocean. But there was one man, Major A.H. Pouchon, who brought on board a massive amount of jewels and money and was worth well over $1 million. But as the ship was going down, he noticed that he was very, very close to his stateroom. And so he asked the man overseeing the lifeboat if he could go and grab something from his stateroom very quickly. The man said, "Yes, go, but if you're not here, we're going without you." He said, "Fine." So he ran around the corner, opened up the door to his stateroom, reached out to the vault, and reached past the vault to the windowsill. And he grabbed 3 oranges, ran back to the boat. His life was preserved. He was being interviewed a couple of days later, and one of the things he said was this: "The money seemed like a mockery at the time. I went for 3 oranges." Now, why would he do that? Because he's going to a place that money cannot help you, and a place where oranges could make a very, very big difference. You know, Peter tells us exactly the same thing concerning our lives. We are on the decks of the Titanic. Make no mistake about it. The 2 Peter chapter 3, he says, "The day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night, in which the heavens will disappear with a roar, the elements will melt with fervent heat, the earth and all the works that are in it will be destroyed by fire." But there are 3 oranges. One is the Word of God. One is the souls of men. One is godly character. These will last forever. These will never fade away. My friends, let's go out. Make today count. Go for the oranges.